All right, everybody. Tom Cormier back with another video coming at you guys. For those of you who do not know who I am, my name is Tom Cormier. I dropship well over 6 figures a month on eBay. Been doing it since around May 2018 is when I first started hitting around 6 figures. But I've been dropshipping now for officially over a year is when I made my first sale. So other than that, I have an eBay course, a eBay Facebook group, and everything like that. So I'm here today to talk about one of my favorite just programs in general that I've been using ever since I first started. If you guys haven't realized, there's a theme in a lot of my videos, and I use about the same, I always endorse about the same 4 to 5 programs. I really don't think you need very much more to get started. And, after that, it really all comes down to virtual assistants and everything after that in order to run your business fully automated. So in this video, I do want to talk about TrackerBot again, and I do want to get across, like their tracking monitors part of TrackerBot and just how important it really is if you are trying to do retail arbitrage from Amazon onto eBay. It's extremely important to have this program. So before I get into it, I would really like to ask you guys if you could please take the time out to look down, see if you subscribe to me. If you've watched my videos multiple times and you haven't subscribed, I would like to ask you to please do so. I would like to hit 5,000 subscribers by January, and I can't do it without your help. So with that being said, I will get into the video. It's going to be a short video, but it is going to be pretty helpful for those of you that don't really understand, the importance of covering your own ass on Amazon logistics numbers and how TrackerBot can really help you in doing so. So I'll see you guys in the next part of the video. All right, so here we're on the TrackerBot website. Their website is trackerbot.me, not .com. So make sure that you figure that you don't type in the wrong thing and get confused right off the bat. So one of the first things you'll notice about TrackerBot is that they do have a 14-day free trial, no credit card or PayPal required. So first off, why would you not sign up for this program? It's literally too good to be true. You are putting in tracking information, first off, is just the most tedious task ever. I haven't done it since day 1, day 2. I think I got TrackerBot the first week I started dropshipping. It saves you so much time. You should not be doing these tedious tasks that are easily automated by a program that costs $20 a month. So I've already gone over TrackerBot in another video and other things like that. I really just want to go over the feature of trackingmonitors.com in case a lot of you guys don't really realize what it is and just how important it is. So one thing before I do get started, if you do want to sign up with TrackerBot, I do have an affiliate link and you will get 50% off your first month. So we'll help you save a little bit of cash if you are strapped for money when you first start, which I know a lot of people do tend to be. So if you scroll down, you will see that it says track Amazon carriers tracking number. So why is this important? So a lot of people like to use Amazon as a source on eBay dropshipping. It's definitely the most oversaturated, most used source out there, but that's primarily all I use and I make a lot of money doing so. So you can't cut it out. It's a very important source to utilize if you want to go this route or the route that I teach. Well, that being said, Amazon does ship a lot of their items through their own logistics carrier, which is called Amazon Logistics. From the math that I've done, it's about 25 to 30% of their items are shipped that way, and eBay does not recognize those tracking numbers as anything. You can put them into eBay, and it won't accept it. So one of the newest updates that came out is that if you do not update a tracking information to eBay and somebody opens an items not received case, then you won't be able to fight it because you didn't upload any tracking information. So first off, TrackerBot does give you the ability to upload your tracking information automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing items not received cases that you didn't even know were going to happen. That being said, I've also talked with people at eBay, and they've said that as long as you upload a tracking number, it doesn't matter if it's a valid or an invalid one. So tracking Amazon logistics numbers, like I was going to say, TBA with a bunch of numbers after them, those do count towards that. So you are not going to get screwed over on items not received cases, and you will have the ability to defend yourself in those cases. So that being said, even if you do have the ability to defend yourself, which a lot of people think that you don't, just because they don't count, you can defend yourself in these items not received cases. Even if you have the ability, you still need the ability to show that this item was delivered. So with your tracking, your TBA number, you can click on it. It's not going to bring you anywhere. It's not going to show you anything. I'm sure if you've drop shipped any items from Amazon, you've gotten a TBA, Amazon logistic number. It just doesn't bring you anywhere. It doesn't do anything. You can't put it in anywhere. It's very hard to deal with. What does TrackerBot do for this solution? So TrackerBot, this is one of the information right here, TBA, whatever. You open the link in a new tab, and it's going to bring you to trackingmonitors.com. or whatever they call it. So basically, this is Amazon Monitor right here. You can click on this, and it's going to bring you just basically right here. It's going to show you what it says. Check your Amazon tracking numbers with Trackings Monitor. Prove to eBay, PayPal, and your buyer that your order is delivered. So not only if somebody opens something on eBay, it will also work if you open it up on PayPal. And if you don't win it for whatever reason, sometimes you don't win it. It's like a 90-something% chance that you will win. I win a lot of the time. Even if you don't win, just call in, prove your point, and you're going to get your money back. Don't worry about it. It's a small bump in the road. So please make sure that you have attached your eBay and Gmail accounts to TrackerBot. The tracking number you want to check is available on your dashboard. So basically, check the video above that I've already made on TrackerBot and how to set it up. That will help you out. This is just going to be a video all about Trackings Monitor. So after that, you get your TBA number, you input it into eBay or whatever you want to do with it. You're already allowed to defend yourself on the items not received case, but then you need the ability to actually defend yourself on the case. So how does that work? You use Trackings Monitor. So somebody will open up the items not received case, say I never received my item. You clearly can see on Amazon that it was delivered. How do you defend yourself? You're going to go to trackingmonitors.com. You're going to click on whatever the tracking information was. You're going to go to this website. So it's monitortrackings.com actually, but it's called Trackings Monitor. From there, all you really have to do is just copy and paste this URL into your items not received case with a short little description of what happened. I mean, you're going to want to make sure it was actually delivered. If sometimes Amazon doesn't deliver things or they screw up delivering things, you want to make sure it was actually delivered. But a lot of the time, it's just people that know that they're going to be, they can scheme the system, and that's what they're going to do. So, I mean, when I first started, I definitely got schemed on a few of these cases, and I lost some money. But, over time, you do realize how to combat this and how to go after it. So I would do the same thing on PayPal if somebody opened up an items not received case that way. I would provide my Trackings Monitor link as proof, and you're going to win. You're going to win the case as long as you follow up with it and as long as you stay diligent on top of it. Like you can't just say, hey, like put this here once and then, hope that's like you're going to win it. Call eBay and say, hey, like, this case has been open for a while. I provided my proof and, nothing's happened. After 4 days of nobody messaging on an items not received case, it gives you the ability to click have eBay step in. I always have eBay step in, and I always win the cases. There's like been 3 times I think where I haven't won. I've called up and I've won it. It's a very straightforward process, but a lot of people think that you're going to lose all of your items not received cases if you're dropshipping from Amazon. And it's just another one of those myths out there in the dropshipping community that I'm really trying to just dispel of. Same thing, level of myth is that you can't dropship while using your Amazon Prime account. That's just also false. So I hope you guys have a little bit more confidence in, how to actually win an items not received case, what Trackings Monitor is, and, just a little bit more about what TrackerBot does. Another reason why I really do love using TrackerBot is because I use multiple repricing tools, one for my Walmart items, one for my Amazon items, and I don't want to have to deal with, using 2 different automated trackings from those repricers when I can just use TrackerBot and it'll do it all for me. So it keeps it all in one place. It keeps it very organized. And, TrackerBot's sole purpose is to actually be good at tracking your tracking information. So that's what they're extremely good at. When, repricing tools, there could be, it's not their number one priority. This is TrackerBot's number one priority, and they have a flawless system. I've been using them for over a year, and I highly suggest you do as well. So if you do want to sign up with TrackerBot with my affiliate link, you will get 50% off your first month's payment, no matter what size the plan is. And there's also a 14-day free trial that basically makes it impossible for you to not start. I mean, you should start. There's no reason not to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Have a good night.